What is up, everyone? I have booked a loss of about 36,707 rupees today. So jump right into the video and see what has gone wrong, how my trade went, and what my positions were. So you'll have a clear idea about why I kept the position open and why I have booked this stop loss instead of booking a very slight profit. So yeah, jump right into the video and see how the trade went for the day.
Good morning, everyone. This is 12th June 2023, and as you can see here, it's 9:23 a.m. in the morning, and Banknifty has opened in a 50-point gap up, and from there, it tried to move up above 44,100. Unfortunately, it has taken a resistance at previous days' consolidation area, and from there, it has come down to touch previous days' low. Previous day's low, it has broken below previous day's low, and also it has respected the day before yesterday's low. So what we can see here is Bank Nifty has taken a support at this point, and if it is sustaining, and if it's sustaining below 43,917 is where we can expect a further downward movement. Until then, we don't have a view towards the lower side, and if it is sustaining above 44,000, and if the current candle, if the next 2 to 3 candles are not breaking the lows, then we will see an upward movement from here till 44,100 is what I believe. So we'll plan our trades accordingly. For now, for the next maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, we wouldn't be considering any trades unless the next candle is breaking above this candle. That means then we can go for a buy, and that's where we can expect some bullishness. Looking at OI, we can see that 44,000 had a good put-OI build-up, but again, call is trying to dominate. As you can see here, it was trying to dominate. So probably if 44,000 is, if PE is not sustaining in 44,000, means we will see a further drop towards the lower side. So if 44,000 is not broken, then we could see a move like this also. So this is also something that we can expect. So let's not jump into any of the trades all of a sudden. Let's just see what is going to happen until Bank Nifty breaks below 43,900 or maybe 44,000. So let's see what's going to happen with the market. Because if this was a solid red candle and if it was a reversal like that, then we could have gone for a buy perfectly, because generally when that happens, we can expect a further bullishness. But if it is an morning star pattern, we generally see an upward movement, and if the first strong candle is not covered, then we would see a consolidation or a moving down. So I don't want to play with the premium today, so let's wait and see what is moving. We will probably go for a buy in 44,000 PE of 15th June or 22nd June. We'll see which one is the best. We'll wait for the right entry as well to get into the position. I feel Bank Nifty, if not sustained above day high, means this can move like this. So that's what I'm expecting. Let's see what's going to happen. So there has been a sudden increase in put OI at 44,000 and 44,100. As you can see here, now it is like 12 lakhs and 22 lakhs at call and put respectively. Here it was 49 to 85, and now it has even become better, and also 44,100 started building started building put. So let's see if this low is not broken, then probably we'll see Bank Nifty, and if once Bank Nifty goes above 44,000 and sustains, we can go for a buy in CE. But this was actually my view. I could have captured some points here, but I didn't want to take that impulsive trade today. I'm gonna go for a buy in Bank Nifty 44,000 CE of 15th June. We'll just wait for the next candle's confirmation. No, we don't require that, I believe. This is probably an engulfing candle, and we'll go for a buy with 500 quantities. Is what I believe is the best. 229. My risk will be 20 points, probably around 10,000 rupees is what I'm looking at. The risk. Let's see, and also I'll modify my risk and reward according to the market condition at that point. So let's see once market, what happens to the market once this candle is closing. Once this candle closes, basically. Yeah. So looking at the OI, I feel we can go for a buy in Bank Nifty 44,000 CE of 15th June. I hope this is not going to be a falling tree. If that is the case, then we'll suffer some good loss today. We'll check for the best price and we'll end it accordingly. There is good premium erosion in this as well, so I'm a bit skeptical about where to get in. So we'll go for a buy with 500 quantities. About 500 quantities. Let's see what is going to happen. We'll try to stick on to a very small SL today. So this is how my PNL looks like. We can see that Banknifty has come down and the low has not been broken. It has taken a resistance support at previous day's low, and from there it is moving up above the consolidation area. So once this level of 44,053 is broken is where we can expect further bullishness in the market. Till then we'll stick on to this and let's not average our positions very soon. I believe if this high at 43,992 is broken and sustained, then we will see a massive upward movement at least till 44,050 is what I believe. So let's just look into the OI. OI is also not in our favor. We can see that our PNL has come down to negative 4,000. We should wait for this to break. Okay, so this is broken. Let's see how Banknifty is going to react, and we will add more quantities to this one trade. So yeah, you can see some balances balance here, so probably we'll see Banknifty moving further up, but again we need more confirmations to be solid on this trade, or maybe average with more numbers. So let's see what's going to happen with Banknifty. We would probably see a movement like this. There are chances for that as well. So this is how my PNL looks like. I'm going to square off in a very nominal knot is what I believe, because there are chances for a correction at this level and then market moving up. So we'll wait for the right opportunity to get out of the position, and then we'll plan our next trade accordingly. Here I can add another 500 quantities for getting my losses into profits. I have seen positive 2000 and all, but I don't think I'm gonna book there. So let's see where market is going. I can see the pressure at 44,000. It is not it was trying to sustain above 44,000, but unfortunately it has broken down below that, and it has made a low of 43,978. Just in case if this candle engulfs the previous candle of 1040, then we can expect further further bullishness in the market. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's average our position only then. So we'll just wait for some more time so that we can average it at the right point. And now the market looks like super sketchy, so we'll have to be very careful with what we are going to do. So I want our PNL to go to negative 6,000 to negative 7,000 so that I can average our position with another 500 quantities. Okay, we'll average our position with another 500 quantities. We have averaged it there. So the first was at 243 and the next was 240. The ideal one was at around 220, but we couldn't capture that movement. So now we'll just wait for some more time and book our profits accordingly. This feels like an engulfing candle, and if this sustains and is moving up, then we'll see a massive movement towards the upside, or else we will have to bear some good lows today. So anyways, we'll see what's going to happen in the market. Unfortunately, that was a bad decision. We can see that this engulfing candle has tried to move up above the previous candle, but has terribly come down. So if this level is broken, then we'll have to bear some good loss. I was expecting Banknifty to move up from this level, but yeah, let's see what is going to happen. This is how our premium looks like, or our PNL looks like. Let's see. Let's wait for some more time, and maybe our result can be around 15 to 20,000 is what I am expecting. So let's wait for the right opportunity to add another 500 quantities, or else maybe 300 quantities, and then we'll scalp and get out of position. So that's what I am expecting. So it's around 11:46. We can see that Banknifty is consolidating like anything. It's not consolidation, but Banknifty is not planning to move up, is what I believe, because this trend line has been beautifully respected, and my PNL is like this right now. It has gone to negative 20,000 and all, but I'm holding this position so that either I can get out with the nominal lows, or else I'm expecting if this high is broken, we can expect Bank Nifty to move up to 44,030, wherein I'll be getting into a profit of about 10 to 15,000 rupees. So I'm just waiting for the breakout so that Bank Nifty will make a move towards the upside. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. This is how my PN looks like at around 11:45. Finally, after consolidating for a really long time, Bank Nifty has moved up, and it is on the high or on a very good resistance which has been respected in intraday. So this is what we can see here. This is how our PNL looks like. I'll probably wait for some more and I'll just book my profits, because I was sitting in the market since 9:15 and it's already so much time. Generally I don't sit in the market for more than like 2 hours. So we'll book our profits and we'll get out of the positions very soon. So we'll see where Bank Nifty is going, and then we'll plan our trades accordingly. So I feel Bank Nifty is going to go up from this level, as there has been good upside pressure is what I believe. So we'll wait for the right movement, and we'll get out of a position. So till 44,100 is what I'm expecting where Bank Nifty can move. So we will wait for some more time and we'll just get out of our position. So even if you look into my risk reward also, I have been waiting still negative 20, and now it has gone up to plus 17,000 also. So I think the 1:1 risk reward is almost justified. So yeah, let's see. Or else 1:0.5 is also good for me. So what I feel is, since 44,000 was tested, there can be an upward movement if it is not sustaining below 44,000 like this. So we'll wait for the right opportunity and we'll get out of the trade likewise. So let's see where Bank Nifty is going to go. So I'll either stick on to my target, wait for the right exit, and I get out of my trade. So it's always been like that. So Bank Nifty has moved up from 43,971. It has moved up by almost 30 points, and still our premium is staying at that level itself. So this is where Bank Nifty has started its upward movement. So we can see that it has only gone up by 225 to 228, only by 3 points, even after Bank Nifty at the money moved almost 30 points, which is not that great for an options buyer. So let's see what is going to happen, which I was not expecting this at all. I'm just wondering what has happened to the market today. So it has moved up by 30 points and our premium is not moving, which is crazy. Oh god, that was crazy. So I had to look away from the screen for just 5 minutes, and then this drop happened, and this is what we can see in our PNL. So I'm just waiting to get out at the right exit, and we'll plan our fresh trade accordingly. So yeah, I'm leaving it open for now. Let's see how the premium has been. Yeah, so there has been a huge drop in the premium, and now I feel this is going to, if this candle is recovering and if it is not breaking below any of these, and I mean if this is not closing below any of these low, means this can recover. So we'll leave it open like that. Yeah, so this is how my PNL looks like. We finally have some ray of hope. So as you can see here, this range, that means the low of the day has been respected like very good, and also it has been a very tight range. So what we can see here is a consolidation, and from there it has moved up. So if this candle is sustaining above the trend line, then we will probably get into a profit. So the thing is, it has to break and sustain above 44,000 is where we'll be getting into a profit. So this is how our PNL looks like right now. It has went down to almost negative 7,000 something. So if it sustains and if it is moving up is where we'll be going and booking some good profit. So let's see, since market has changed its character, the character will be changed only once this high is broken or the neckline is broken. If that happens, then we will see a further upward movement towards 2 o'clock to 2:30 time, and then we can get out in some amazing profits. So let me tell you the reason why I don't put stop losses. So what happens is, when market gives a movement in an impulsive movement like this, and this low is not broken. So what we can see here is Bank Nifty moved down to 43,939, and from there it left a wick and it moved towards the upside. Okay, so if I am keeping a certain stop loss at that level, means my stop loss will be hit and I'll be getting out in a profit of loss of about negative 30 to 40,000. So that's why I precisely don't keep stop losses as such. There was a terrible mistake from my side today, so I had to be away from the screen for a while and I kept my positions open. So as you can see here, from a negative of 60,000, negative 60,000, we have come back to a break even. So I am still okay with booking a loss of about maybe like 35,000 or 40, like 25,000 to 30,000 today. But fortunately our profits has come back. I mean, Bank Nifty has come back, because I was sure if Bank Nifty is not sustaining below 43,900 means it will go up. So this is what we can see with our PNL. So probably we'll wait for some more time and we'll get out of the position with a slight loss. So if this candle stands up like a rising 2 pattern, which means only 2 candles come inside the big green candle. So if that happens, we will see some more bear bullishness in the market and we can get out in a lesser loss. So we'll just wait for that movement to happen and we will square off our position accordingly. So yeah, this is what our PNL looks like right now. I'm hoping this has the potential to move above this. So let's just wait for some more time and square off our position. But this 43,975 has to be broken for Bank Nifty to move further up. That is one another problem. So I'm squaring off 100 quantities here. Sell at market. So I have squared off 100 quantities at 202. So we'll just keep this at the verge of exit and let's wait. So this has not come out as we expected, as a rising 3. So we'll see what happens in the next 2 minutes and we'll get out of the position accordingly. In which ways we'll get out of the position right away. I'm selling my 900 quantities I have. So we have gotten out in a nominal loss that around the expectation that I had. So we'll square off and we are at a loss of about negative 36,707. So yep, that's all for the day. So let's just look into the market anyways. Yeah, we have scored. So this is what our positions looked like. 243, 240 buy, 202 and 205.83 is our sell. So I could have exited my position in a break even or in a nominal profit also, but generally, as I mentioned earlier, I'd like to stick on to my target or my stop loss, and that's why you have seen a loss here. Maybe I'll get so many criticisms today. You could have you have entered the wrong position. You could have squared off your position earlier. See, this is not what I want. This is always I try to stick on to the stop loss that I have, because even if you see, I have gone into a loss of about negative 60,000, but I haven't booked it there. I clearly know where my stop loss is and I stick on to my stop losses. So that's all. So thanks for watching the video and bye.